Welcome to the Q&A session 9 from the playlist of heat and thermodynamics. The topic is the relationship between the real and the apparent expansion. So based on this topic, I have selected one question for this session, and the question here is, for a liquid when heated in a vessel, it is found that the apparent expansion is equal to the apparent this coefficient of expansion is equal to 6/7 times the coefficient of real expansion. So the coefficient of linear expansion of the vessel is there are four options here, and we have to find the correct one. Now we know that first of all, for the sake of revision, the real expansion is the expansion of the liquid when it is heated without a container, and the apparent expansion of a liquid is the expansion in the liquid when it is heated in a container. So the real expansion is always greater than the apparent expansion, and the relationship between the coefficient of real expansion and the coefficient of apparent expansion is, that is, the coefficient of real expansion is equal to coefficient of apparent expansion plus the coefficient of volume expansion of the vessel in which it is kept. Now, there is one more relation, that is alpha is equal to beta upon 2, which is equal to gamma upon 3. So from this relation, we can say that the coefficient of volume expansion is equal to 3 times of alpha. So the coefficient of real expansion is equal to coefficient of apparent expansion plus, now here the coefficient of volume expansion can be substituted by this value, that is 3 alpha, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. So from this relation, we can find the value of the coefficient of linear expansion of the vessel, and so the coefficient of real expansion, this is equal to the coefficient of apparent expansion, which is equal to 6/7 times the coefficient of real expansion plus 3 times alpha, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion of the vessel. So from this equation we get 3 alpha is equal to the coefficient of real expansion divided by 7, or we can say that the coefficient of linear expansion of the vessel is equal to the coefficient of this real expansion of the vessel divided by 21. So the correct option here is A. And so thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be discussing about the specific heat capacity of a substance. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.